Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm bringing you a nursery slash room tour of me and my daughter's room and how basically I set everything up and how everything is going right now. So right now I just set up her crib, her stickers, I organized her clothes. Well, somewhat. I still got a couple tweaks I'm gonna do. So this is part one, and I'm definitely gonna keep you guys updated as time goes on, and I'm adding and fixing little things here and there. So I basically set up her crib, washed all her clothes, and did all of that stuff. So luckily all the important stuff is out the way. So right now it's just more about organizing. And don't mind my voice, I'm a little sick right now, but I still got a couple things that I want to set up. Like I need to get a rocker. I got her playpen because I do have a den area. So I'm definitely going to set up that area for her for when I'm at work and she's with my mom and, she's comfortable out there. So just stay tuned and, see how I have everything set up. And, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see future videos of me and her, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And yeah, so we'll see. All right, guys, so this is entering my room. Right now I have a rug that I'm definitely gonna take to go get dry clean. So basically my area is split up in a way which I'm gonna show you. So going to the left, I'm recording off my phone because I don't feel like taking my camera, but this is my makeup area. So right now I have that little area set up for me and me only. I'm gonna do a makeup video. I'm exploring my vanity. So this is my bed, and it's right in front of the rug, which is right in front of her crib. So this is her crib and everything set up with her nursery. So everything is set up here. I still have to get a changing pad and new things. This is just what it's going in her diaper bag, so stay tuned for that video. But yeah, this is all her stuff. I know you're not supposed to have a lot of things in the crib. They want it to be completely empty. But I figured she's, a newborn, so she's not going to be doing a lot of rolling around. So once she starts that, then, So this is the bedding set from my previous baby shower haul video. I love it. It's so girly. And this is a sticker that goes with it, a little fox. And I bought these shells from Amazon, which were like 12 bucks. And these baby letters, I actually had these customized from Etsy for my baby shower. So I just kind of super glued those on, and if you can see, it's little elephants there. And she has a picture frame with her first, second, and third trimester. Look how much she grown from that little nug. This is my TV area. We have an extra door here. So what I plan on doing, I plan on putting a curtain there. That's going to be in part 2 when I get the curtain today. And she needs a little area rug for her side of the room. And this is mommy's side. So going into like my area with my toiletries and my clothes or whatever. It's just a little table I have here. My windows, my Bob Marley thing. Okay, and I put her diaper thing here with some diapers for now. So go into my closet. Oh, it's kind of bright in there. So I basically got this this closet organizer from Amazon, which you can find it on Walmart for like 20 something bucks. This was actually the best thing I actually received as a baby shower. I mean, it's kind of wobbly because my thing isn't set up from in the back. So I put some of her clothes here, her onesies, her first aid kit, some shampoo stuff. I hung some of her clothes. These are the clothes I washed, which I still have a whole bunch of more. This is like this is where I keep her diapers. So I still have to organize that, and that's my clothes. So basically that's a walk-in of the closet. That's probably why, she doesn't have a dresser right now, but, So yeah, I figured in time she really doesn't need a closet. So, I'm sorry, pregnancy break. She doesn't really need a dresser right now. Because right now I have this cube organizer, which I'm going to fill up for like her little extra clothes. And she has her closet, her baby closet, and she also has some drawers I'm going to show you guys in shelves. So this is basically her first drawer. I filled it up with her towels and her rags and stuff. And then her second drawer, which these drawers are really deep. There's an extra sheet and just some receiving blankets. And then these are her fleece blankets and her soft blankets. So, and not to mention, she does have some shelves here that I plan on filling up with, like, I don't know, I'm guessing organizers and stuff. So this is it right now. And she got this mobile. It's really beautiful, excuse me. And then her little teddies. But I figured in time this boppy pillow won't be here. And these are just extra blankets for her right now. So, I mean, that's her little area right now that I have set up so far, which I'm obsessed with because it's the first thing I wake up to. So, yeah, it's beautiful, and it's just a working project, so we still got more to come. But yeah, so don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and tune in for my what's in my baby bag, so that way, you know, you guys can see my future videos with me and my baby before she comes.